everyone, welcome back to Simply Kanika, your go-to channel for tech. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Today we will dive into the SQL queries we explored in the last video. I will explain exactly how to structure them, what they mean, and how you can write it effectively. So let's get started. In the last video, I demonstrated some basic SQL queries on a table called students. Today, we will revisit those queries and break them down in detail. If you missed that video, you can still follow along as we are focusing purely on understanding the SQL queries themselves. The first query we wrote was a select statement, select star from students. Now let's break this down. Select is the keyword which tells SQL that it wants to fetch from a table. The star or the star symbol or the asterisk symbol means all columns. So this query retrieves all the rows and columns from the table students. Let's run this. Here. Now if you want to fetch specific columns from the table students, then you can simply replace this star by the name of the columns. So let's say select name, comma age, say for example from students. Now here we are fetching only the specific columns, say name and age from the table students. Simple, right? Next up, let's filter the data using the where clause. For instance, let's say if we want to see only the students having the grade A, let's write select star from students where grade is equals to A. Now let's run this. Voila. So the where clause specifies a condition and grade is equals to A. That means fetch only the records where the column grade has the value of A. Right? This is super handy when working with the large data sets. Now let's talk about sorting the results. If you want to display the students sorted by their age, you can simply use order by clause like this. Select star from students ordered by their age and run this and voila, you can see. So by default, order by sorts the result in the ascending order. But if you want to change it into descending order, you can simply use the keyword DESC and you can just use it after the column name in the order by clause. And now let's run this and you can see. So all of the students and all of the data is now sorted by or ordered by their age in the descending order. Now let's combine the where clause with order by to create a more meaningful query. Suppose we want a list of students sorted by their age in ascending order having the grade B. So we can write select star from students where grade is equal to B order by their age. Since we are doing it in the ascending order, you can also use the keyword ASC, but as we already understood that by default it always displayed or sort the result in ascending order. So let's run this and here. So here's what happens. The where clause makes sure that it has only the records of all of the students having the grade B, and order by makes sure that it is sorted by the column age in the ascending order. Now if you want to switch it to descending order, we can always do it by using the keyword DESC and let's run this and here. So all of the results get sorted by their age in the descending order and only the records only the students having the grade B are displayed. And always make sure that where clause is always used before the order by clause. Finally, let's talk about the limit clause. This is especially helpful when you want to limit the number of records or the number of rows returned by a query. So for instance, we want to display top 3 students having the grade A and sorted by their age in descending order. So we can write the query like this. Select star from students where grade is equals to A and order by their age in the descending order, and we just want to display only the 3 records, so only the top 3 students. So we can use limit with the number 3, and let's run this. And here this limit ensures that only the top 3 records or the top 3 students are displayed. Well, it is worth noting that while limit is used in MySQL, other databases have the similar functionality but with the slight differences in the syntax. So, say for example, if you are using MS SQL Server, you can use top 3 keyword or top any number keyword instead of using limit. Similarly, in Oracle databases, you can use the keyword fetch first and row num. Understanding these variations can help you work seamlessly across different database systems. And that's a wrap for this video. I hope this breakdown helped you understand SQL queries better. Practice these queries and experiment with your own datasets to build confidence. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Happy querying!